I wanted to know the answer to one question that every content creator quietly asks themselves. Can AI-generated content go viral on its own? Not content that is assisted by AI, not content where AI writes a first draft that a human heavily edits. Pure AI content. Script written by AI. Voiceover generated by AI. Visuals selected by AI prompts. Captions added automatically. The human role limited to pressing publish. I created 30 pieces of content this way across 4 platforms over 30 days. And what happened genuinely surprised me. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The experiment setup. I chose 4 platforms for this experiment. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and LinkedIn. On each platform, I published content in the same niche, AI productivity tips and income strategies. The same topics I cover on this channel, the same ideas, but with zero human editorial input beyond the initial topic selection. Claude wrote every script. 11 Labs generated every voiceover. Pictory assembled every video. CapCut added automatic captions. I did not rewrite a single sentence. I did not adjust a single word. I simply reviewed for factual accuracy and published. 30 pieces of content, 4 platforms, 30 days. Pure AI from brief to publish. What happened on YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts was the platform where pure AI content performed the worst relative to my expectations. The average view count across 10 shorts was 840 views. 2 shorts broke 2,000 views. 1 reached 4,000. But the majority hovered between 300 and 800 views with low completion rates. The pattern was clear in the analytics. Completion rates on pure AI shorts were noticeably lower than on human-edited shorts from the same channel. Viewers were dropping off faster. The reason became obvious when I watched the content critically. The AI voiceover combined with AI-selected visuals created a slight mismatch in energy. The voice pacing felt slightly mechanical. The visual transitions felt slightly random. There was no human editorial instinct connecting voice, image, and message into a cohesive experience. YouTube Shorts punishes low completion rates heavily. Lower completion means less algorithmic distribution. Less distribution means fewer views. Pure AI content on Shorts can work, but it needs human quality control on the voice-visual alignment to drive the completion rates that the algorithm rewards. What happened on Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels performed better than Shorts. Average views across 10 Reels, 2,300. 2 Reels broke 10,000 views. 1 reached 22,000. The difference was the caption strategy. On Instagram, the on-screen text captions added by CapCut automatically were often genuinely engaging. Large, bold captions that reinforced the spoken words kept viewers watching even when the voiceover felt slightly monotone. The 22,000 view reel covered one specific AI productivity hack in under 45 seconds. Tight topic, strong opening visual, captions that built anticipation word by word. The AI assembled it and the algorithm pushed it hard. Instagram Reels is currently the most forgiving platform for AI-generated content. The visual nature of the platform and the caption-forward consumption style mean that slightly imperfect voiceover matters less than on platforms where voice is the primary experience. What happened on TikTok was the biggest surprise of the entire experiment. 3 of the 10 TikTok videos crossed 100,000 views. 1 reached 340,000 views. The content that performed best was not the most informative. It was the most pattern-interrupting. Scripts that opened with a counterintuitive statement, something contradicting what most people believe, performed dramatically better than scripts opening with a standard tip. TikTok's algorithm does not care whether content is human-made or AI-generated. It cares about watch time and shares. And a counterintuitive hook drives watch time just as effectively whether a human or an AI wrote it. The 340,000 view video opened with, "Most people use AI to save time. The ones making money use AI to make decisions. Pure Claude output. No human editing." 340,000 people stopped scrolling for it. What happened on LinkedIn? LinkedIn performed modestly. Average reach across 10 posts, 460 professionals per post. No viral moments. Steady and consistent engagement from a professional audience. LinkedIn rewards personal perspective and genuine professional insight more than any other platform. Pure AI content without a clearly identifiable human voice and point of view performs reliably but not remarkably on LinkedIn. For LinkedIn specifically, AI as a first draft tool combined with strong human editing and personal opinion layered in produces dramatically better results than pure AI output. The overall verdict: can AI content go viral? Yes. On TikTok, absolutely and repeatedly. Can AI content perform consistently? Yes. On Instagram Reels and LinkedIn for steady professional reach. Does AI content outperform human-edited content? No. Human editorial instinct produces higher average performance every time. But here is what the experiment actually proved. AI content at 80% of human quality takes 10% of human time to produce. That ratio is an extraordinary deal for any creator who needs volume and consistency. The creators winning with AI are not replacing human creativity. They are producing more content more consistently, so the algorithm has more material to test and more chances to find the pieces that break through. Volume times consistency times quality threshold is the formula. AI handles the first two. You handle the third. Your action plan, starting today. Start producing AI content on TikTok today. Focus on counterintuitive opening hooks. Review for factual accuracy. Publish daily. Let the algorithm find your breakthrough video. Combine AI production with human caption review on Instagram Reels. Add personal editorial touches to LinkedIn posts before publishing. Volume, consistency, quality threshold. AI handles the first two. You handle the third. Which platform are you going to test AI content on first? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this experiment changed how you think about AI content, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.